Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you have a large, difficult job that you need an assistant to help you? I have a huge patio area and I was looking for a wet vac to help me clean it effectively and quickly. This Shop-Vac is actually a 3-in-1 tool, so I can wet vac, dry vac, and use it as a blower, which pretty much means that I can use it for the entire patio area, clean everything I need to clean, and I'm done quicker. This Shop-Vac has an impressive amount of suction, which means that any job you're tackling, you're gonna get it done fast. Now, it's important to have a good quality product that also does the job well, and that's exactly what this Shop-Vac is. So it's a 12-gallon capacity stainless steel tank, and it has a really easy to use drain, and I like the wheels because they glide effortlessly. It comes with all the accessories I needed, and it didn't take me long to put it together. I just needed to attach the wheels, put the handles on, and it was pretty much ready to go right out of the box. It makes quick work of tough jobs. So whether I want to dry vac my outdoor patio, whether I hose it down and need to remove the water, or if I want to use the blower option, this is a 3-in-1 with a powerful motor and a large capacity, so I can get all of my work done outside and get back to living my life and enjoying the outdoors in a clean environment. I really appreciate a well-made tool that's going to get my work done quickly. And that's what this Shop-Vac has been. I use it all over the patio. My husband likes to use it in the garage. We keep finding more and more jobs for it. So I highly recommend this Shop-Vac. It's really done a lot to make my life easier. It does the work I ask it to do. It has a very powerful motor. And I love the fact that in one product, I get 3 different tools. And that is my point of view.